Hello, YouTube family. I wanted to come on and share everything that I'm putting in my daughter's Easter basket, as well as her Easter outfit. And yeah, just showed you guys that. So let's get right into it. So the first thing is her Easter outfit. What we have here is a dress. I did get it from Von Mar. So it's just like a floral dress in their toddler section. This is a sweater that I picked up from Amazon. It's by the brand Lilacs. And also I will go ahead and show you guys the brand for this dress. It is Bonnie Jean. So if you look for Bonnie Jean or like toddler floral dresses, this should come up on Von Mar if they still have it. But yeah, she's basically wearing this floral dress. It has hints of light pink and fuchsia, green and buttercup yellow and like a little orange, and she's gonna have on this like super thin like little pink sweater to go with it. I picked her up from the children's place, but I ordered it off of Amazon, these light pink tights, and then I also ordered these off of Amazon. The brand is, sorry guys, Funk, let's see, it's a long one. The brand is Funky Monkey. Got it. And these like I don't know if this is cognac or like a camel colored dress shoe, but she'll be wearing these shoes. So that's her outfit. Moving right along to the items that I'm gonna have in her Easter basket. First, I will start off with her actual Easter basket. This is the Sabrina Easter basket from Pottery Barn. It's white and it's in the size small. I did order and get monogrammed one of the gingham letter basket liners, and the color pattern for the gingham basket liner, this is Kelly Green, and as you all can see, I got my daughter's name monogrammed on here. It's Zoe Sims. So that's that. Super cute, good quality. So that's that, and she'll be using that Easter basket until she no longer uses Easter baskets, okay you guys, because it was like 80 bucks. So moving on, I picked up a few items for her basket. I ordered off Von Mar website. The first thing is by this brand Mud Pie. It is their bath bombs in a 2-pack, and it's a carrot and a bunny. And they also had like the carrot and the white bunny, but I chose to go with the carrot and the pink bunny. Also from the Von Mar website, it's by the brand Simple Pleasures. It's this 14-piece nail polish collection kit, and it is non-toxic, as you all can see. It's for kids, and it just comes with a variety of colors. So here's all the colors on the front, and then it has, you know, these 3 colors is kind of in the back, and then it also has these additional colors. So there's that. I'll go ahead and point out that I got a couple of items from Dollar Tree, and that was this little Easter flying disc. And then it was a 3-pack. I got these from Dollar Tree, but my daughter happened to see these peeking out of a bag and begged for one. So I went ahead and gave her one, but they're like these carrot-shaped Easter eggs. All right. And then the remainder of these items, oh, one other thing. I did get this from Amazon. This is the Melissa and Doug Barrow Bunny. Look how cute he is. And you guys, the quality is amazing on this cute little guy. I do have to get his ears to flap over and stay flapped over. He was kind of like, you know, packed. Look at that little tail. He was jam-packed, you know, away in the plastic. So I got to get his ears to stay flopped over. That came off Amazon, but again, it's the Melissa and Doug Barrow Bunny. All right, and like I said, the rest of these things came from Walmart. So let's start up here. So the first thing is this DYE Easter eggs die kit. So it's just faux eggs, so that you don't have to use real ones, that you can, you know, use some dye on. And to coordinate and go with that, as you all can see, this was 98 cents. Got this from Walmart by the brand Dye Works Egg Coloring Kit. And so it has stickers and egg stands and colorful tablets and an egg dipper and a drying tray. So we'll use this for the eggs. Picked up this Peter Popcorn Tales popcorn. It's by the brand Kathy K. Super cute packaging. Picked up this little game. It's an Easter water toy. So the water, the little pieces in it float, and it's got like little water. Super cute. This was just a random like little something I had left over from something else I got from Dollar Tree, but I just had set it aside. It's black modeling dough. Let's see, let's take at the top. So I did go ahead and get these Easter eggs. It's a 20 count for $1.98 at Walmart. I just got really like a huge kick out of this gold egg, you know? So ordered that. I was really excited about this. This is the Crayola Mad Science Bath Kit for ages 3+. And as you guys can see, it comes with a dropper squirtle toy, goggles, a beaker, 2 bubble bath test tubes. And it's just something they can have fun with in their bath water and feel like, you know, they're a scientist. Picked up this Easter grass bubble gum by the brand Carousel. And guys, a lot of this stuff was in the Easter section at Walmart, so you don't have to go all over the store hunting for it. If you just go to the Easter section, you should find a lot of these things, you know, in your local Walmart, hopefully. Picked up this Jelly Belly Kids Mix, 20 flavors, jelly beans, these M&Ms, just, you know, the plain M&Ms, milk chocolate. It's in like the pastel colors for Easter. Picked up 3 packs of these Utz. Little mini cheddar cheese balls, and they usually come out with these like around each holiday, so of course this is just the Easter theme. And then I picked up this Gabby's Dollhouse Jumbo Coloring and Activity Book. Super cute. Picked up this Easter bunny like set of ears and tail. So the little tail, it actually like clips on, you guys. So that's how that goes. And the little bunny ears. Picked up this Peeps. It's like bubble bath in the flavor vanilla, marshmallow scented. And it has a little wand so that like they can, you know, like have bubbles in their bath after, you know, you pour it up. I remember these from my childhood, but these are the Robin's Egg Minis. Picked those up. Picked up this Peeps brand set of bubbles. That is so cute, you guys. And last but not least, I picked up this LOL surprise set of 40 tattoos, ages 3+, 224 as you guys can see, and it comes with different tattoos. All right, so you guys, that's pretty much everything that's going in my daughter's Easter basket. My mom is going to send me money to pick up my daughter a Barbie doll. So she will also have a Barbie doll in her basket. I wanted to mention it because I think that is a fabulous idea that my mom came up with. A Barbie doll will make a great addition to any, you know, Easter basket. But my daughter and I got started on the Easter dye kit. She had so much fun, you guys. I put on her little apron. We put that on a tablecloth and went to work. So here's the finished product of our dyed Easter eggs, and they turned out beautifully, and we added some stickers to them for some extra, you know, personality and flair. Here's a little quick DIY project that we did with a little Dollar Tree kit that you could put together for a felt bunny. We have this up on the wall in my daughter's room. So spring has sprung at our household, and I wanted to just come on and show just a few of the quick little changes I made outside to bring in spring. So by starters, I went ahead and changed out our outdoor flag, and I went with just a simple, elegant like monogram S. It does have, you know, like basic flower design on it with like the muted greens. Let me zoom in on that. So I wanted to go ahead and show that flag, and also for our like little front porch area, I haven't picked up any flowers yet, but I do plan on maybe getting a couple of flowers. Not 100% sure if I will or will not. But I ordered this wreath off Amazon, and it just says welcome, as you guys can see. And I don't know what these flowers are called, but the same type of flowers that are in this wreath are some of the same flowers that are in the pattern on the outdoor flag. So yeah, it just, you know, presents this nice little combination of the front door and the flag. So I wanted to make sure that I shared those things. Here's just a view of both the flag and the front door. I'm going in between overcast and sunny, and my flag is flying now. But I just wanted to show you guys what both items look like together. Yeah, thanks you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit the like and the subscribe button. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.